Hello, my name is Stanislav, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a database of a cafe with Microsoft Access 2010. So let's start with opening the program. I have already created an empty database, so let's open it with double click. And here my empty database is ready for me to use. If I click on the navigation pane here, there are a number of options which we are all going to learn about, but for now let's start with tables and more exactly with how to create one. So to create a table we go to create and a table, and our table appears in a datasheet view. For more comfortability we should change the view from a datasheet to a design view from here. It wants me to name the table, so let's give it a proper name like personal. This is how the table looks in design view. As you can automatically see, there is a little key which identifies the primary key of the table. It's usually an auto number. Now let's start naming the fields. If we want to set fixed values, we should go to the page lookup and then change the display control from a text box to a list box. We should change the row source type from a table and query to a value list, and then type the positions we want the employees to take. So let's do it. And this is everything for the first table. Now we should close it and save it and go on to the next one. As you can see, it again opens in datasheet view, so we should change it once again. It wants to name it, so let's name it drinks. And as you can see, there is again a primary key of ID, out number, everything like the last one. So this time the first one is going to be drinks. And the next one is going to be a name. And the last one is going to be a price. The price should be a currency because we are money talking about. And this is everything for our second table. Now we go to the third one, which will be called orders. So let's name the field name. The first one is going to be ID order. Table. The third one is going to be a date, and the date type is going to be a data time. The next one is start time, which will be data time as well. And the following is end time, and it will be data time too. The last one is personal, and it will be a number. So now we should change the date format from a none to a short date. We should do the same for start time and end time. We should make the last field personal, load its values from the first table we created. So we should go to the lookup page, then change from text box to a list box, and in the row source we should type personal. And this is everything with the orders table, so let's close it and save it. And go to our last table for today, which is going to be named clients. changing to design view. ID order. This time the data type of O is going to be a number. No auto numbers here. So now ID order should be loaded from the order table. So we choose list box and then type orders. The ID drinks should be loaded from the table drinks. So we choose list box and then type drinks. In this time it should not be a combo box, but the list box, but a combo box. Sorry for the mistake. Okay, so this was our last table. Let's close it and go to fix the relationships. So we go to database tools and relationships. We add all the tables and we start making the connections. So ID drink should go to ID drink, create new. So we choose the left table, which is going to be clients, and the right table, which is going to be drinks. We choose the drinks from the left table and the ID drink from the right table. We click OK and then create, and here our relationship appears. So let's do the rest of them. So we create a new one again, and the left one is going to be clients again, but this time it's going to be the name ID order, not drinks. The right column is going to be orders, and the field is going to be ID order. We click OK and create, and here our second database, our second relationship appears. So now for the last relationship, we should connect personal from the orders table to ID personal from the personal table. We click create, and that's everything with the relationships. They are ready, so let's save them. This was all from me for now. Goodbye.